passive voice.
Who owns this horse?
This horse is owned by Mrs. Johnson. When was this house built?
It was built in 1977.
I got an MP3 player yesterday.
Was it given by your dad?
The baby was born only a month ago.
He is so lovely.
Grammar tips.
Tips for passive voice. Passive voice is used when we focus on the action, or a statement is passive if it's more polite than the active voice. Here are the forms. First, the object of the active sentence becomes the subject of the passive sentence. The form of the verb is changed, and past participle comes after the changed be verb. The subject of the active sentence becomes the object of the passive sentence and is put after the word by. The object of the passive sentence can be dropped when the subject isn't specific.
Examples.
Let's look at some examples. First, we have active voice. He writes a letter. Passive voice. A letter is written by him. You can see the object letter in active voice becomes the subject in passive voice. The verb writes is changed to written, and there's the be verb is in front of it. The subject he is the object after the word by. Active voice. Someone stole my bike. Passive voice. My bike was stolen. Here, the subject someone is dropped because it is not specific. Active voice. He made the doghouse. Passive voice. The doghouse was made by him. Active voice. Mr. Johnson takes care of the girl. Passive voice. The girl is taken care of by Mr. Johnson. Active voice. Sandy discovered the cave. Passive voice. The cave was discovered by Sandy. Active voice. She is singing the song. Passive voice. The song is being sung by her. Active voice. I will give this pencil to you tomorrow. Passive voice. This pencil will be given to you by me tomorrow. Active voice. Jack will build a house. Passive voice. A house will be built by Jack.
Right and wrong.
Now go to the right and wrong section. The first one says, active voice, I buy a book. Passive voice, a book am bought by me. This is wrong. A book is a thing goes with the be verb is, not am. The correct sentence is, a book is bought by me. The next one says, active voice, he sells tickets. Passive voice, tickets are sold on him. This is wrong. The word buy is put before the new object. The correct passive voice is, tickets are sold by him.
Grammar tips.
Tips for question form and negative form of passive voice. The question form is be verb plus subject plus past participle. The negative form is subject plus be verb plus not plus past participle.
Examples.
Here are some examples. Active voice. He reads a book. Passive voice. A book is read by him. Question form. Is a book read by him? In the question, we have the be verb is, the subject, a book, and the past participle, read. The next one. Active voice. She sells books. Passive voice. Books are sold by her. Question form. Are books sold by her? Active voice. They won the game. Passive voice. The game was won by them. Question form. Was the game won by them? Active voice. He reads a book. Passive voice. A book is read by him. Negative form. A book isn't read by him. Here, the subject, a book, is first. Be verb is plus not, and the past participle read. Active voice. He sells books. Passive voice. Books are sold by him. Negative form. Books aren't sold by him.
Quiz.
Circle the right word. The book was written by Michael. Was shows the past participle with by. So we use the word written. The book was written by Michael. The game was postponed due to rain. Again, we have past participle. So you choose postponed. The game was postponed due to rain. A baseball team is chosen by the coach. Now we have past participle. You pick chosen. A baseball team is chosen by the coach.
Quiz.
Circle the correct sentence. A. We won the game. B. We were won the game. Were does not go with past verbs, and we have active voice. The correct sentence is A. We won the game. A. They were not welcomed by people. B. They were not welcomed on people. Here we have passive voice. We use by before the new object. The correct sentence is A. They were not welcomed by people. A. The dinner did prepared by my mom. B. The dinner was prepared by my mom. Here we need a be verb. So we use was. The answer is B. The dinner was prepared by my mom. A. Are you loved by your neighbors? B. Do you loved by your neighbors? Here we need a be verb. Are is the be verb. So the answer is A. Are you loved by your neighbors? Find the mistake and correct it. The movie directed by Mrs. Carter last year. This is passive voice. We need the be verb was. The correct answer is the movie was directed by Mrs. Carter last year. The bears were carrying into the zoo. We need the past verb carried, not carrying. The correct sentence is the bears were carried into the zoo. This car is makes in Korea. We need the past verb made. The correct sentence is this car is made in Korea. The baseball was hit by Steve. For passive voice, we need past participle. Hitted is not the past participle of hit. The past participle of hit is hit. So the correct sentence is, the baseball was hit by Steve. This work will do finished in an hour. Here, do is wrong. We need to use be. So the correct answer is, this work will be finished in an hour. A car accident was happening in the street. Here, we need to change was happening to past participle. Happened. A car accident happened in the street. Make a sentence using the words. The first one says, Green Lake Town, called Tom's Town, is. You write, Tom's Town is called Green Lake Town. The was town hall built 100 years ago. The town hall was built 100 years ago. Founded, the was 50 years ago, school. The school was founded 50 years ago. The kind of new library is. The library is kind of new. Was it last year opened? It was opened last year. In the country, the best city, last year, Tom's Town was chosen. You write, Tom's Town was chosen the best city in the country last year.